Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today's topic is subtotal. You can see that I have already kept the table ready. Let us see how to use subtotal. So firstly let me sort it by branch. So I have sorted it from branch so that you can get a perfect view when I apply subtotal. So first I am selecting the table, clicking on data. I'm going to subtotal. Over here I have to select on what should I give the subtotal. So for me I want subtotal on branches wise and the total and on quantity. I'm clicking on OK. So you can see the total sales done on the particular product in particular branch. So in Bangalore branch, from different sellers there is total sale of 45, then in Bangalore it's 31, and then in Mysore it's 101. You are able to view this in this format because I sorted the branch from in A to Z manner, so that all the Bangalore will get segregated and all Bangalore will get segregated and Mysore get segregated. This is how to apply subtotal. Hope this video will be helpful. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.